track all of us. Are you racist? So then put the phone down, because otherwise, so why do you want to record it?
Respect consent? Does your partner over here respect consent? Does you care about consent?
Because that recording allows us all to get doxxed. And you know what doxing is? It means they'll find our addresses, they'll trace our social media, they'll find our families, they'll find where we work, and they'll come and right-wing media will make sure we don't protest anymore. So thank you very much for letting us know that you are indeed racist. I bet your dick is tiny to make up for those big-ass shoulders. Bye.
This is pretty crazy.
Where's your press badge, sir?
Hey, why are you guys against Latino media, bro?
Where's your press badge, sir?
Damn,
Where's your press badge, sir?
I'm independent. I don't have to show you anything. Hey, you know that I'm just walking on the street just like you, man. You're being a little bit ridiculous.
You're walking into me right now, so let's...
Yeah, I'm walking into you, but you're in my face. You guys look really bad doing this. You guys look really bad doing this. Yeah, I'm literally doing my job. This is how I feed my kids, so whatever, dude.
So you need to film the entire protest even though we...
I'm just giving you guys media coverage. I'm just giving you guys...
But we don't
They
know
didn't
what the
ask.
narrative is.
I don't have a narrative. I just film.
Everyone has a narrative.
Why are you assaulting females now, y'all? Yeah, you guys are like, this is not cool.
Is she with you?
No, she's not. But it's a little bit weird that you got here like hitting her.
You gotta go. Bye-bye.